We're here in town of Bodega. We have 182 acres, and we have a organic all-Jersey dairy. We milk about 200 cows, and we raise all of our young stock here. Our property is on Salmon Creek. We've been here for 40 years, and 4 times the creek has gone dry. Water is always an issue, and if there's some way that we can save the water, I think that's a real positive thing to be able to do.
In northern coastal California, where we have winter rains and then a long dry season, and during that long dry season when the water is scarce, the demands are even greater.
We were trying to find ways for people to have all the water they needed without taking it from the creek or from the groundwater. And what was an obvious solution was rainwater harvesting. And so we looked for some of the largest water users in the watershed, and Richard as a dairy was one of them.
His dairy uses 7,000 gallons a day to water the cows as well as to operate his facilities.
So how roof water catchment works is the rain falls on the roof and flows into the gutters. In the gutters it flows into pipes which reach a pond. It's stored in the pond and continues to fill, and then stored and saved until it's needed in the dry summer months.
Using all of the roof space from all of the dairy buildings, we were able to collect 1.4 million gallons. Enough water to offset his 7,000 gallons per day over a 6-month period that he needs to use for dairy operations.
It's amazing how much water these roofs collect. So this is one way in order to capture it, to be able to use it for the animals and for a business, and then also to help the wildlife in the creek there.
Projects like this pond could be very useful for other ag operations because we've just gone through a several-year drought, and this may become the new normal.
Most dairies are short of water, and I think a project like this would really be an asset to them. I really do.